In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce background noise in Google Meet. Whether you're working from home or attending class virtually, we've all experienced that awkward moment when unwanted background noise distracts everyone in your Google Meet session. Luckily, Google Meet has built-in features to help minimize these interruptions and create a more professional and focused environment. So let's dive in and explore how to use them effectively. First, start by opening Google Meet on your device where you're going to join or start a meeting. Once you're in the meeting, you'll need to make some adjustments in the settings. Look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You should see 3 vertical dots, a button commonly known for extra settings or a menu. Click on these 3 dots. This button is your gateway to a range of customization options that Google Meet offers to enhance your meeting experience. Once you click on the 3 dots, a menu will appear with several options. From these options, you should select Settings, which is usually towards the bottom of the list. By selecting Settings, you're stepping into a world where you can fine-tune your audio and visual controls to suit your needs. After you click Settings, a new window will pop up with a list of categories. Here, you'll want to navigate to Audio. This is where you'll find controls dedicated to both your microphone and speaker settings. Adjusting these settings can significantly help reduce the amount of background noise that gets picked up during your meetings. In the Audio section, you'll notice your microphone settings listed first. It's important to make sure that the correct microphone is selected, especially if you're using an external microphone, as they often have better noise cancellation capabilities compared to built-in microphones. To change your microphone, click on the drop-down menu and select your preferred microphone from the list. Next, let's look at the speaker settings. Just like with your microphone, ensure that the right audio output device is selected. If you're using headphones, this is where you'll choose them to help prevent any echo effects that could add to the background noise. Lastly, for an optimal experience, ensure that you're in a quiet location while conducting or attending meetings. This might seem like common sense, but it's an often overlooked aspect that can make all the difference. Closing windows, muting other electronic devices, and informing household members of your meeting can also help you minimize distractions. And there you have it. By adjusting these settings and being mindful of your environment, you're well on your way to minimizing background noise in Google Meet. Remember, these small tweaks can lead to clearer communication and a more enjoyable meeting experience for everyone involved. So, next time you join a Google Meet, try these tips and enjoy the difference it makes.